Ka Dr. Tanvi ar marang, khunjung elbak Marak bat ka Adrena ar marang, kawai ni kithei bhabrio paunam ke Jylla Meghalaya, kablayo khoru bon ki khusnam bat dangshen, kablayo ru ban khori kanam second runners up Miss Grand India arajar arpunriu, kalapin pau ke jingkmen kabakrau bat shibon ki jingsngo bat ki jingperkhan, kiki ha ke jabing ha ke por baka yo priang, bat shajit ya ke tekanam kabahe ha ke ri, ha kabayade bat ke jingye kop thei bhabrio. Nakaliang Meghalaya Daily, ulayo abanyakran Mihkhmat bat katay katay bhabrio, kabalum phone na kajat bin rio garo, kabalaya thu ya ki jingya lenti jongka, bat kumnu kabati ya kapor, namar kadeiru ka doctor, bat ha kaju kapor katay bhabrio. Kalaya thoru, bakala Sdang ban Ïaid ya katay kakam, Naduh bakadang khatar Snem karta, hakaba kalalet ban Yakob, bontili ki jing Yakob thay bhabrio, kum ka Miss Cherry Blossom, Miss Meghalaya Sunsil Mega Miss Northeast, but Mynta Snem, kala sharp pin ko buram, kum ka second runners up Miss Grand India arajar arpunrio. Ringkat kijing ay min siem ki kon samla, balada ki pots niyo ya kano ka kam, kidey ban IT men bat min siem, bat ban trey shitom, knam bakin poy siya katakathong. Katay ka samla kalapin pauru ya kijing Angnud jongka, ban Mihkhmat ya kari India, shikiway pat kijing Yakob thay bhabrio, bahe aha ka prathay ha kisnem banwan.
And hello everyone. My name is Dr. Tanvi R. Marak. I am a proud daughter of Mr. Albert Marak and Mrs. Adriana R. Marak. I come from a humble family of 6 and they have been my backbone and my support in everything I do. I was born and brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya. I've done my schooling from St. Margaret's High Secondary School. Then I went into science stream at St. Anthony's High Secondary School, and then I even pursued my MBBS from Nigram's College, Shillong. Today, I am a MBBS graduate and also a pageant enthusiast. I started my pageant journey at the age of just 12. There, my passion and my love for pageantry started. Initially, it only started as a passion. Later, I learned that pageants are more than just a beautiful face, and here I am as the second runners-up at Miss Grand India 2026. Honestly, when I was announced as second runners-up at Miss Grand India, it was an overwhelming emotion. There were so many emotions going in my head of gratitude, of disbelief, of happiness, and so many other things, because when I won, I instantly thought of my family, my sisters, my supporters, my mentors, and so many others who made this journey so much possible and easier for me. This journey, this success that I have got recently, it's not just about celebrating one moment. It is about years of hard work, perseverance, even failures that I rise above every time I fell. So it has taught me that when you are resilient and when you have perseverance, definitely you get the results that you want. For me, from winning so many titles, the evolution was never about winning, about how many titles I won. The evolution was always internal. I think today I've become more self-aware, more matured, and I've learned to accept rejections. I've learned that when your dreams are bigger than your fear, and when you have faith, nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. So today I do not just compete for titles, I compete for so many other girls who look up to me. So many other girls who dreams. I want to tell them that when you dare to dream, you should dare to work hard and achieve it too. Representing the state means a lot to me. It is a duty, it is a responsibility that I have gotten with so much honor, and I am so fortunate to God and everybody who has supported my journey, that it is only because of their love and blessings that I am able to achieve this success today. So we come from a region Northeast which is very rich in everything, be it culture, be it tourism, everything. So we're often underrepresented. So every time I step on a national stage, I'm here carrying the hopes and the dreams of so many other girls. I want to tell them that where you come from should not decide how far you can go. And I want to show that a face that looks like this and eyes that looks like this can also belong to India and call herself India one day. My next plan after winning Miss Grand India second runners-up 2026 is First, that I want to represent India one day. I want to show what Meghalaya is all about. It would be a very proud moment. Other than that, I want to continue inspiring young girls, making meaningful changes, and I want to flourish both in my pageantry and also in the medicine field and continue being an inspiration to others. To everyone watching me today, I would like to tell you that don't be afraid to start small. Keep working hard, keep putting the work, have patience, have the courage to rise up after every failure. Do not let anyone define your worth because you are the creator and the writer of your own story. Work hard, dream boldly, and keep believing in yourself, and nothing can stop you from achieving the heights that you are meant to achieve. Kublai, thank you so much, and Mikhela. Bye, see you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Stem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.